The canoe TE MATAU A MAUI berthed in the Suva harbour this morning after a 5-day sailing trip from Samoa and Tonga. 6 Fijians are on board as crew, learning the skills and technique of navigating a canoe in preparation for the Pacific voyaging trip early next year.
The Suva harbour was a colourful scene this morning as it welcomed one of its traditional canoes to its shores. With perfect conditions for sailing, using only the wind direction and solar, they set sail from Samoa to Tonga last Friday, where they were joined by the 6 crew members from Fiji.
Spent a couple of days familiarizing us with the canoe and doing some trials, teaching the local guys or the Fiji boys along how to sail the baka. And then we set sail Friday for the Lau group.
All in the lead up to the much anticipated Pacific voyaging in March next year, the TE MATAU A MAUI was given a traditional ceremony of welcome and blessing to mark its launch. The significance of the Pacific voyaging focuses on the noise pollution in our seas, as well as the significance of connecting with our ocean.
No, we get be much different. It was a great opportunity to learn from the 2 we had on board. Their training skippers. They used to train crew in each of the 7 countries, and we took that opportunity to learn from as much as we could.
And as Philip explains, the Fiji crew will be trained on the skills and expertise needed to sail the canoe, awaiting the launch of the Fiji canoe next month.
The vac is so any other sailing used to. It's multi-hull, it's to a mono, and it behaves and very differently. So it's a total for everyone, even the skinners. We made the point that still learning as well. It was an experience. I think we a little bit of our experience with them, and they a lot with us.
The Pacific voyage begins in March next year from the Cook Islands to Tahiti, across to Hawaii. Emily Molly, One National News.